my lovely Scorpio, and welcome to Floral Tarot Reader. How you guys are doing? Thank you so much. Whoever subscribed to my channel, it really means a lot. I offer personal readings as well. You can check my description box and comment section. My WhatsApp link and number is mentioned. You can click on the WhatsApp link, send me a hi, and get your personal reading done at very minimum fees. Okay, Scorpio, I have another tarot card reading channel as well in Hindi language that has around 35,000 subscribers. You can definitely check out my other channel as well. So, Scorpio, let's just get started with your reading. This is your love life reading. It will be a timeless reading, so whenever you'll watch, it will surely resonate with you. Let's just get started. Keep your person's energy in your mind and heart, and let's just get started. Okay, angels, higher beings, and ancestors, love life for Scorpio. How it's unfolding, angels. Tell me, please. Tell me why ain't nothing but a heartache. Current energies of your person is the Empress. Ooh. Intentions of your person is the Hanged One. All in reverse, actually. Okay. Future action of your person is the Ace of Wands. Your energy, Nine of Coins. In reverse, okay. And future of this overall connection, very important. Two of Coins, not good. Bottom of the deck, Six of Cups. You guys are in a relationship for sure. This is a relationship. There's a relationship connection. You guys really love each other. This is not casual FWB, etc., etc. But there are a lot of issues going on. You are working on this connection pretty well, Scorpio. I have no complaints from your energy. But why Hanged One? This person has a lot of this person has an issue of overthinking, Scorpio. They overthink every small thing. But why the Hanged One? Knight of Coins, not good, yeah, Scorpio. See, I'm not seeing any kind of breakup or etc, etc, no, but that's not how a relationship should work. See, Four of Swords in reverse. Okay, Scorpio, what I'm seeing over here is that you guys have been dating for a couple of months or years, etc, etc. But what is happening right now is that there is lack of efficiency in this relationship. I'm in the sense that, for example, Scorpio, you are in this energy that oh, my partner, oh, my girlfriend, boyfriend, whatever, whoever you are. Okay, let's just go out for a bowling. Oh, let's just go out for a coffee. Oh, let's just go on a trip. They are in this energy. No, Scorpio, I don't feel like, I don't want to do anything. So I'm getting this energy of boredom here. Like, you guys have been dating for so long. Like, see, I always tell in my other channel as well that relationship, and even for the matter of fact, marriage, it's a full-time job. It's a full-time job. You have to put in a lot of efforts for the relationship or for the marriage to keep on working. You need to put in efforts. It's not about spending money or having this luxury experience, no, but it's how much you are dedicated, how much you are willing to put in efforts. This person has absolutely no issues going on in their life. They have a great career, they have a great family, their health is good, everything is nice, but there is this lack of passion in your person's energy. They are not interested in anything. Why? If that's the case, then this reading is for you, Scorpio. And I always like giving a gist of a reading initially so that you can decide whether you want to watch this reading or not. So, zodiac sign, your person's zodiac sign, very strongly Cancer, Virgo. This is Sagittarius, Taurus, a very lazy Taurus, and Capricorn. Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, Cancer, and Sagittarius. And whichever zodiac sign your person is, any other zodiac sign, you can still watch this video. Their overall energies towards you is Empress. They love you, no doubt in that. They love you. They love you. They really love you. They really care for you. There is no doubt. They absolutely love you. Empress. They want you. They think that you are the best husband, boyfriend, girlfriend, or wife. No doubt in that they love you. But there are oysters. Oysters are what? Like, this oyster is very comfortable. I like using a different kind of deck so that I can get great energy. So symbolism. Let's talk about the symbolism here. They like living in their comfort. I don't know, Scorpio. You only go. I don't want to come. I just want to stay at home, like wear my pajama and t-shirt, and I just want to watch TV all the time. I just want to watch sports. I just want to play games. I don't feel like doing anything. They don't have any kind of health issues. So Many of the times there are a lot of health issues going on. I'm not seeing any kind of health issues in your person, so they have become this absolutely lazy bum. They're in this energy. Oh, where will Scorpio go? Scorpio is now my wife, Scorpio is now my husband, I don't care. Where will Scorpio go? They don't want to put in efforts because they don't want to. That's their energy, their intentions. Like in my channel, intention is very important. Let's just focus on the intention part, and that is why I took out the clarifier, which is hanged one clarified with the Knight of Coins in reverse. In their intention, they think a lot about you. If you may wonder, Scorpio, like, do they even care for you? The answer is yes, they do care for you. They do think about you a lot. But in their intentions, see Empress with the oysters, with the hanged one, they are in this energy of comfort zone. Why to put in efforts? Why there's no need to put in efforts? Oh, we used to go to trek. Oh, we used to go for movies. There's no need. Like, this person is acting like an old age couple, like a retired couple, like an Indian retired couple who just likes staying at home, like an Indian retired husband who likes staying at home, don't want to do anything, just sit wearing pajama and watch TV all day. So in their intention, with the Knight of Coins in reverse, they don't want to put in efforts because they don't feel like putting in efforts. Then why the hell you got married to Scorpio? Then why the hell you are in a relationship with Scorpio? This is the most basic thing that everyone should understand before coming into an institution of marriage, before entering into a relationship, that you need to put in efforts. See, I understand that some days you can act lazy, some days you have right to be tired, some days you can say, okay, I don't want to go for 1 month, for 2 months, but how long? Because I can see your passion, you want excitement, you want love. I'll get. We'll talk about your energies nicely, but this person does not want to. They are in this energy, now you're my husband, you're my wife, etc., etc. I don't want to put in efforts. Their future action, Ace of Wands in reverse. I feel you have to communicate your needs with this person. Also for Scorpio, your problem is that like the biggest problem with Scorpios, they most of them, they can't express their desires and their emotions properly, because Scorpio have this tendency of hiding behind their emotions, not letting their guards down. So in their future action, I'm getting an energy that they will put in efforts, they will be passionate. Even your sex life is getting destroyed over here. I can see that, like, there's like absolutely no action, no sex over here, if you guys are physically close. So in the future action, they might put in efforts, but you really need to nudge this person. You really need to communicate this person your needs. Let's talk about your energy. You want to party, you want to enjoy, you want to go on treks, you want to have fun, you want to enjoy. See, Nine of Coins is a lady in Rider-Waite version who is just enjoying her life. And absolutely, Scorpio, you're in this energy that I want passion, I want romance, I want emotional intimacy, I want physical intimacy, I want to have fun, I want to do this, I want to do that. So you are in this high level energy, and this person has zero energy. And Scorpio with the Nine of Coins in reverse, you know what, Scorpio, I'll be honest with you. Either you tell this person that be there with me, participate with me. Okay, like if on a month there are 4 Sundays, I'm assuming that your Sundays are free, 4 Sundays. So at least 2 Sundays this person can spend time with you, and 2 Sundays they can have rest. So your energies are that, Scorpio, that you want to explore everything, but you're not communicating it well. This is a Nine of Swords, a Nine of Coins in reverse. You know what, Scorpio? Tell them, be there with me. If not, start enjoying your life in a single way. If they are not coming and partying with you, if not they're coming clubbing with you, if they're not going out on cafes with you, you go out yourself. Because also the biggest lesson is that we cannot be dependent fully on a person lifetime. Like Scorpio, I would like to suggest you one thing, that have a one-on-one conversation with this person. Make them understand that you need to put in efforts, you need to have that energy. If you don't have energy, then don't waste someone else's time. At least communicate. And if they're still not listening, I think you should reconsider this relationship or go out alone, make some friends, because you deserve happiness, you deserve every kind of enjoyment. Sorry, but like personally, I can't stay with a boring person. Of course, take rest. If there are 4 Sundays, 2 Sundays you can rest, you can sleep, but at least 2 Sundays you can spend good time with me, right? A 50-50 situation, a balanced situation. Communicate your needs. If not, I think you should reconsider this relationship, or else you should go out alone. But why you should go out alone? You have married this person, or you are in a relationship with this person, so they need to be there with you, right? Because why I'm saying the future is pathetic. Two of coins clarified by four of swords in reverse. This person is not putting in energy, not putting in efforts. This is an absolutely lazy person. This person does not want to do this. They don't want to participate in this relationship. Neither they are romantic, neither, like, everything is getting affected in this relationship. So the future is looking very tough. It is looking like a lot of ups and downs are coming in this relationship. Before it's too late, I would suggest you, Scorpio, communicate your needs with this person, and if not, start going out alone, or not, please reconsider this relationship, because I'm not seeing a good future. This person does only listens to themselves. They don't, like, you know what, overall they really don't care about your emotional, mental, social and physical needs. They only care about themselves. This is the overall problem of this relationship, of this connection, and this will impact your relationship in the coming future. So before that, I would suggest you have a one-on-one communication with this person. I'm not seeing breakup. I'm not seeing that you guys are parting ways. You guys will stay with each other, but it will be a very boring and lame and literally a very lazy connection with no passion, with no love. And this will affect your physical intimacy, mental, emotional intimacy, and your social life as well, Scorpio. Anyway, do what is best for you, and this was your reading. You can get a personal reading done as well if you have any other kind of issues. And if you liked my video, so please like, comment, share and subscribe to Floral Tarot Reader.